These are all the ingredients for the indicator lab. And then this is the notes that you can put in your notebook. So what is an indicator? What is the purpose of the lab? We're looking at some breakfast foods. You're going to do 3 hypotheses. If we test apple juice, do you think it'll be a simple carb, a complex carb, or a protein, and then why? And then you do the same thing with oatmeal and then egg whites. The procedure, I'll show you that. These are all the materials. You can pause it if you want to write that down. This is the data, and you're just going to look at the color of each one, and I'll show you that, as well as, so the controls first, just in water, and then the color of these 3 foods. Then in general, here's the key. If something is going to be a simple carb, if it is positive for that, it'll turn orange after it's heated in the water bath. If it has complex carbs, it'll turn black. And then if it has protein, it'll turn this nice violet. So we're going to do the 3 controls first. It says to measure out 5 mils of water and put them in the first 3 test tubes. So that is water for test tube 1. So for the 3 controls, we're going to go ahead and put 10 drops of the Benedict solution into the first one. And then you'll record the color on that chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just kind of mixing that around. In the second, so you go ahead, record the color of that. That's the control. Iodine is going to be in the second tube, and we'll do 10 drops of that as well. Mixing that up. What color is that? Go ahead and write it down. And then the last one is the burette, and we'll do 10 drops of that. So 10 drops of that. What does it look like? Write down the color. For these ones, we're going to go ahead and check apple juice. This is like oatmeal water that I just took some oats and soaked them in the water. And then this is like albumin, which is basically like powder from here. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out 5 mils of the apple juice. The next one is going to be the oatmeal water. And then this one is going to be the albumin. So we'll go through these. We'll go through these again. I'm going to go ahead and put the Benedict 10 drops in the apple juice. This one activates with heat, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the water bath, but mix that first. Then with the oatmeal water, the iodine goes with that. So you can record what color that one is. And then for the albumin, and then see what color that is. For the apple juice, it does need to have water, so I'm just going to go ahead and heat this water and then put it in a water bath and see if it changes color after like 3 to 4 minutes. So now look at the color, and then you can record it in the data table. So then here we have our final results with our control group right here. And then these are the 3 testing ones.